Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to do this nice lagoon theme design. So I already prepped this nail. I removed the surface shine, I push back the cuticle, and now I'm going to apply the form. I'm going to apply the nail prep dehydrator and the acid base primer on the natural nail. Now for this design I'm going to use several color micropigment. I'm going to use Lighting Blue, Dancing in the Dark, Tropical Sea, and Mega White as well. I'm going to pick up many beads, and with my brush I'm going to drag the product, and it's going to create my design. And I'm going to work with the medium speed acrylic liquid. I'm going to add some tiny beads near the cuticle. And when you're happy with the result, you're going to encapsulate with a clear acrylic powder. I'm placing a second bead to create the apex. And we're going to let it dry until we're going to pinch. I can also do a double dip and place the ball and drag the product. The index finger is ready to pinch. Now we're ready to encapsulate. I'm placing a second bead on the free edge. And now I'm going to add a third bead on the apex. And we're going to let it dry before it's ready to pinch. We're going to file this nail. I'm going to use the two new Neo Nails file, 120 and 180 grit. I'm going to do the sidewall first with the 120 grit, then the free edge. With the 180 grit, I'm going to do the cuticle area. Go back with a 120 grit for the whole surface of the nail. I'm going to buff the surface of the nail with the orange and black with a block. I'm going to use some pure acetone to clean the surface of the nail to make it smoother. And I'm going to do the whole design of the nail. I'm going to use Looking Glass gel color on the thumb and cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply my second coat. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to take some foil and I'm going to clean the back of the paper with some gel residue wipe-off solution. After applying the foil on the middle nail, I'm going to apply some Mermaid Scale. It's a very nice green, shiny, sparkly green near the cuticle area, and with the ombre brush I'm going to drag the product, fade the product. Look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. And cure 30 seconds. To seal the design, I'm going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat. And final cure for 60 seconds. I'm finishing with some cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used are in the description box below. Until next time, au revoir!